Hello dear students, today we are going to start the unit and measurement in physics. Okay. The first point which I want to discuss with you, that is physics is called the science of measurement. All of you are knowing it. Physics is called the science of measurement. That's why this chapter, this topic is very important for us. Okay. Because we are going to study about the physics, and physics is called the science of measurement. Means our first step should be this point. Okay. So let us write. Physics is called science of measurement. Okay. Now there is some more topic will be involved, like what is measurement, what is need of measurement, and what is the process to do the measurement, and also we will know what are the components of the measurement. Okay. So let's start with the what is need of measurement. What is need of measurement? Okay. So I am not going with the very lengthy problem. I am trying to describe you with the very simple problem. Suppose there is a two circle. One is this and second is this. Okay. Let's name it circle A and circle B. This simple question I want to ask you, which circle is bigger? Then obviously your answer will be in 1 second. B. B is bigger than A, right? B is bigger than A. Okay. But if my next question will arise to you, that how much B is bigger than A, then I think you need the measurement to answer this question. Okay. So suppose if we do the measurement and we found that the radius of A is 7 centimeter and radius of B is 14 centimeter after the measurement. Okay. Then if we do the measurement, means we have done the measurement of the radius of the both the circle. Now we can easily compare which circle is bigger and how much it is bigger than the other circle. For example, let us calculate the circumference. If you want to calculate circumference, then you can calculate the circumference. Calculate circumference of A is equal to 2 pi r, and it will be 2 pi into 7 equal to 14 pi centimeter. Similarly, you can calculate the circumference of the B. It will be 2 pi r, means 2 pi into 14. Now it will be 28 pi centimeter. Okay. Now you can say the circle B has the circumference twice of the circle A. Okay. So without measurement, it is easy to say which thing is smaller, which thing is bigger. But if you want to know how much it is bigger or how much it is smaller than the other, then we need the measurement. This is the main need of the measurement. Okay. Since science is the only about the measurement, physics is the branch of science, and in the physics we do measurement to know the exact idea about the any quantity. Okay, that's why this chapter, this topic is very very important to us. Okay, फिजिक्स में लोग जो भी पढ़ने वाले हैं, ठीक है, उसमें हम लोग हमेशा मेजरमेंट ही करेंगे, चाहे वो एरिया हो, चाहे वो स्पीड हो, या लेंथ हो, या टाइम हो, एक्सेलरेशन हो, फोर्स हो, हम कुछ भी करेंगे उसमें मेजरमेंट कहीं ना कहीं आएगा, क्योंकि मेजरमेंट के बिना हम आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पाएंगे. फिजिक्स इज द साइंस ऑफ मेजरमेंट, इसमें मेजरमेंट ही तो करना है आपको. ठीक है, तो ये इसलिए ये जो चैप्टर है ये हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, और इस चैप्टर को आप लोग बिल्कुल ध्यान से पढ़िए, ध्यान से देखिए इसको. ठीक है, तो यहां से कुछ कंक्लूजन हमारे दिमाग में आ जाता है, उस कंक्लूजन को मैं लिख रहा हूं. फर्स्ट थिंग, if we want to know exact idea about any physical quantity, then we need measurement. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you. With the help of measurement, actually we are doing the any physical quantity in its numerical value. Means with the help of measurement we can convert any physical quantity in its numerical value, and you know that numerical value are easy to compare, easy to know, easy to understand. For example, if you take the same example, A and B, without measurement there's only one thing, B is greater than A. But with measurement we can say B has twice the circumference than the A. B has twice the radius than A. So we are going to at exact point. That's why measurement is important. Okay, so we want to if you want, then you can write one more point about the measurement. With help of measurement, we can convert physical quantity in numerical value. Which is easy to understand and compare. Okay,